to learn a new sound. Our new sound is ah, ah, ah.
Ah, ah, ah.
Ah, ah, ah.
Ah, ah, ah.
Ah, ah, ant.
Ah, ah, ant.
Ah, ah, acrobat.
Ah, ah, acrobat.
Ah, ah, astronaut.
Ah, ah, astronaut.
Ah, ah, apple.
Ah, ah, apple.
I'm going to draw you a picture now. I've got a leaf going down there. Okay, this is an ah, ah, apple.
Ah, ah, apple.
And hiding behind my apple is ah, ah, ah.
Ah, ah, ah.
So you're going to help me now to write the sound ah. So you get your magic pens ready. And we're going to lead in. We're going to go up, round the apple and down the leaf. Let's do that again. We go up, round the apple and down the leaf. Excellent. Now, here is my apple here. So we've got apple.
Apple.
And on this side we've got an ah.
Ah.
So when I show you this side, you will say ah.
Ah.
And when you see this side, say apple.
Apple.
We'll put a delicious apple there. Okay, ready?
Ah. Apple. Ah.
I'm going to trick you.
Ah.
Well done.
Apple.
Right, I'm going to hide it now. Okay, you see if you can find it. So you've got the sounds that you know really well here. And then I'm going to hide the apple. And when you see the ah, so when you say ah, you point and say ah. Ready? Okay. Well done.
D. O.
Ah. Well done, give yourselves a whoosh.
Whoosh.
Let's do that again, ready? I'm going to muddle them up a bit. And see if I can go a bit quicker.
D. O. Ah.
Well done, give yourselves a hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray.
Excellent. Now I've got my little friend here. This is Fred. Say hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Now he gets a bit shy. Fred only speaks in Fred talk and he loves it if people understand what he's saying. So he's going to say some words for you in Fred talk and can you try really hard to hear what the word is when he sounds mouth. Okay, ready? S, at, s, at.
Sat.
Well done. Oh, he's so happy. Well done. Excellent. Let's think of another one. Fred, okay, you're going to tell them. Okay, ready? K, at. K, at.
Cat.
Oh, he's so happy. He's jumping. Look. Jumping for joy. He's so happy. You understand him. Let's think of a different one. Oh, right, ready? Yeah, okay. P, at. P, at.
Pat.
Oh, well done. Look, he's jumping on the ceiling. He's so happy. He said thank you. Well done, everyone. Give yourselves a fireworks celebration.